continuum when we talk and think about Christian counseling. On one side, we have nouthetic counseling that seems to lean strongly and wholly on Scripture, not using any kind of theoretical orientations or evidence-based practices outside of Scripture itself. And then if you go all the way to the far side of the continuum on the other side, we have counselors who happen to be Christian, but typically don't bring their faith into the work they do with their clients on a daily basis. So I'm wondering if you could help us understand how brain-based Christian counseling fits on that continuum.
Well, I think it really uses the best and integrates both. I started out as a secular counselor. In fact, early in my career, I was an anti-theist, and I was very well trained out in Southern California. Went to good training programs, good schools, and practiced for about 20 years as a secular therapist. About 25 years into my practice, I realized that I'd become a Christian, and I realized that I was starting to practice differently. And so the way I look at what I'm doing in brain-based Christian counseling is that it's a Christian approach to cognitive behavior therapy, and using evidence-based practice within a Christian, God-honoring context. And I really do think that we wind up with a better service than we would have if we were practicing as nouthetic counselors, and a much better service than if we were practicing simply as secular CBT or other type secular counselors.
So a more well-rounded approach is what I think I hear you saying.
And it's not, it's